Okay, if you have an intelliflo variable speed pump and your keypad stops working, what you can do is order a new one on Walmart.com for $266. But the problem I'm having is that the adapters that come with the new one do not connect to the pump. And the reason that is because it's this whatever. I tried to lift this thing up, but it will not come up. I unscrewed all the screws. So what I did was I've taken this piece off from the old keypad and I glued it on the new keypad, because once again the adapters didn't work. So this slides in there and it works perfect. So I just glued this old adapter onto the new keypad and it works perfect.